Hi, I'm Shelton, and this idea started on the shop floor when I realized there had to be a better way. But before we get into that, I believe that collaboration fuels creation. We share ideas, we solve problems faster, we build cooler things, and honestly, it's just way more fun. And that's why I wanted to start something different, something that took the shop floor ideas and created ways to make life easier. The first product, axle fit, 3D printed axle spacers that allow you to just grab and try it, and it has the sizes on it. No more wasted time, no more frustration trying to figure out the wheel spacing on your bike. Next up, this magnetic Milwaukee battery holder. It has two 80-pound magnets, so any metal surface can organize your batteries or just have an extra one ready to go. This is Collaborative Concepts Inc., a place where we can share ideas, build things, and just make life easier and have fun along the way. And if you're seeing this, that means that collabconceptsinc.com is live. So you should head over there, check it out, drop a comment below what you think, and if you have any ideas. And I'm looking forward to taking you along for the ride, because life is better when we do this together.